Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Look who's in the driver's seat tonight. It's her show. So tell us what we're doing.
Okay guys, Christmas is over and it's time for me to get back to my little truck. So here we go.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
Okay, here we go.
All right. Oh, whoa, you know what? Hold on. Put the lid back on that.
Seriously?
Yeah, let me see it a second. Let's
See?
show them what you've got done and what you're getting ready to do.
Okay.
Yeah, show them your wheels
All
first.
right, so here are the wheels. And
The wheels and tires.
The wheels are painted white. And
by the way, guys, that was the color of her dad's rims, where they were white with the stock hubcaps. But you go ahead, tell them.
okay, and then we did we touched up the chrome that was already on the things. What are those, hubcaps?
Oh yeah, when she removed that, and this is the kit chrome on the hubcaps, guys. We decided instead of rechroming these, it might be better to just use that Fusion Firm brush-on chrome to touch up the areas where they were removed from the sprue. I think it looked pretty good.
Yeah, I think so.
And then the wash down in the wheels, and then a little touch of flat black for the valve stems. And I'm telling, and you tell them.
Anyway, this is on the Chevrolet. This is touched to the Chevrolet word. So
Oh, the red letters.
the red letters on the hubcaps.
Yeah, instead of being recessed, they're raised. So I suggested using just the red Sharpie, and I think she did. I think it looks really good. But anyway, so those are done.
So those are ready to go.
And because here, I got this down too. This is Purple Power, and because her dad's truck had the white grill and white bumpers, you already got those. Yeah, they're over there.
Yeah, they're right here. Right. I got those off.
Put those in your Purple Power, and by the end of the video, we'll take a look. And they'll probably be stripped. And we'll start getting those in there. You just drop them in.
You sure there's enough to cover that?
Yeah.
No, there isn't.
Yeah, there is. Just swish it around a little bit. It works on fume power anyway.
Yeah.
All right, set that. Yeah, let me put that on top of the
there we go.
paint booth. And get your truck back.
All right. So get my...
Or get your instructions out,
Yeah.
and let's see if you want to do the... I think
There's
the
that
interior
lid.
will be first, but I don't know. Do this. You want to do... Well, there's the interior right
There's the
there.
interior. I guess that's the thing. I really think the interior would be more fun than the...
Well, you got to do chassis sometime.
Well, I know. But I might as well have fun doing what I want to
the
do.
interior. Lay
Yep.
that out so you can see what parts you need and get them out of there.
This is this right here.
By the way, when she was doing the wheels, guys, we took a look at the trim rings for the wheels that come in this. And as you see there. But she said she did not recall his having those beauty rings on them, so we're leaving that out.
So this is the part that I need, it looks like.
Yeah, where's your snippers that you...
I don't know.
There they are.
Oh,
Use mine.
you're hiding my stuff.
No, that's my set, but that's fine.
Where's my set?
In your box, right here.
Oh well.
With your hobby knife.
Oh well. So I don't need the hood first though, do I?
No,
I need
you just
this.
need the interior.
I need this right here.
You just need the
Oh
interior.
my goodness, that's the challenge.
No, it's not. You want your hobby knife?
It might be a challenge to me.
And there is your hobby knife.
Like that?
Yeah. You didn't hurt anything.
Okay. I hate it.
Get up on camera a little bit more.
I'm
there.
sorry. I hate it when things sound like they'll break.
Nah, that's a good set of sprue cutters.
Okay.
Okay.
Not
We're
bad.
saying that. Yeah.
Not
set
bad.
that aside. Okay,
Okay.
get your seats. There's the seat bottom and seat back.
Okay.
Well, we're not looking at the parts down on the instructions, but
No,
that's all
we're
right.
not.
Go ahead and cut those off.
Well, you already know what they are.
turn that over. No, the cutters. I'll be right back.
All right. Boys, those things do work, don't they? That's the wrong way. Okay. That was not such a good one. So this one, I got a little bit.
You're gonna sand that off anyway. You're
Okay.
off camera a little bit.
Oh dear.
You get as bad as I am.
So guys, I was looking right there. I'm gonna have to do some sanding on that.
Still off camera.
Am I on the camera now? There.
You look up at it and you can see.
You
Yeah.
see right there?
Yeah, that's easy to sand off, and besides, that's on the
Alright.
bottom anyway. All right, you get your dash. You know what? Let me just move this back this way.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just keep piling your parts up there. But
See
that's
that?
what
I
those
got that.
sanding sticks you got were for, remember? It's been a while since she's done this, so
It
you
has.
don't need the firewall yet.
I don't need that now. I got to get
Nah,
these.
You don't need the firewall.
I need the
Yep,
steering wheel.
that steering wheel.
Where you can see.
And then we'll look at the parts compared to what is on your instruction sheet and see what you got.
Okay, there's that. What we've got to do.
All right, you got those.
Got everything except that other
That
pedal.
one pedal. We'll say it's the clutch pedal. All right, let's
Okay.
see. Okay, the other thing we're going to need is
Well, that's the starter thing right there.
that's a starter pedal or starter button, but
And that's the
technically pedal.
And that's the
So you're
accelerator.
missing either the clutch or the brake pedal, whichever one, which we'll get that. That's not a
Okay.
big deal. That's the parking brake. All right, we need the heater core, which is not on that one.
No,
So
it's
you're going to
not.
have to look for another one that'll have the heater core on it. Now that's got your door panels.
You need to go ahead and have those.
Yes, you're going to need, see here,
Okay.
you're going to need your door panels.
It'd be easier if I took the little red Sharpie and highlighted those.
Well, for the parts you need, that's not, yeah, that's not a bad idea.
You guys see that?
All right, now let's open this up. We got all of these parts, other than we're going to have to get on the floor and see if we can find, see if we can get the carpet monster to always put these down. Surrender your
Oh, I
part.
wasn't know if that was already all of it.
Then we have the dash, we have seats, we have everything else, and that's going to be it right now.
Huh.
Okay, guys, we're going to see if we can find this part in the floor real quick and let her sand this stuff up, and we'll be right back.
Okay, we'll be back in a minute.
Okay, guys, we found our part, we found our pedal, and Amanda's already got that stuff already taken care of. Those are in there. She's got the primer, so she's getting ready to hit everything with primer, and we'll get this done. Let's turn on the fan, and you can go to work. Okay, guys, we're back. We've got everything painted, trimmed out, and pretty much dried up. Amanda, you want me to, or do you want to tell them about it?
Where should I start?
Do the interior tub first.
Okay, so the interior tub is painted the blue color of the truck, and this is a flat black down in the
floor mat area.
floor mat. Yeah. So this is, I think, ready to start putting stuff on it. So there's that. This is it's painted with
That's the old Model Master
leather.
leather. Just thin that down to let her, as you saw, let her airbrush that.
So there's this right here.
And you said you wanted to weather that up a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna do weathering.
Also, do you want to do these? See that little side piece there? That was either aluminum or chrome or something like that. Usually.
And once we finish it, is it going to be seen?
It might, yeah.
Yeah, I think maybe we should paint that.
Okay, all right. I'll get you a small brush there for that. All right, what else you got?
And then we have the door panels.
Yes. I think that looks good. The two-tone kind
Yep. With the handles done in the
silver.
So those are finished.
Cool.
And then the steering wheel.
That turned out really good.
I'm amazed. But anyway, that's the steering wheel. And the dash.
Guys, this one really impressed me because instead of doing a bare metal full, she went with the Sharpie, the silver Sharpie.
Yeah, just kind of.
And then did the, to me, a panel liner over the grill, kind of the grills. And I think that looks pretty good. And the gauges didn't turn out too bad either.
Well,
get a little closer to the.
Do you see
the
that?
Gauges didn't turn out too bad either, but I think overall that looks pretty good. And then just the steering column and.
Yep, the steering column, which is not complicated at all, really.
That and the heater core, and that's really it.
The heater core. There.
Cool. So
we had to have
instructions here, so you know what's going next. So,
yeah.
And by the way, all the pedals, if you remember, guys, we went ahead and glued those in.
Yep. See there. Kind of get a light on it.
Will hit them just right. Anyway, they're kind of a semi-gloss over that flat black from the panels, but
this is better. Yeah.
It's kind of hard to see in.
Well. As
the
long
light
as,
or lack of light, however you want to put it.
As long as they're there and supposedly
they're there.
So.
Well, okay. So she has her instructions here. We're going to go ahead and get this stuff started to glue up, clamped, and, well, you got to paint these real quick first.
Yeah.
We'll get that in dehydrator. So once she gets that done, we'll start getting some stuff glued together, and she may even finish it up, and we'll be right back.
See you soon.
Okay, guys, I just took this out of the dehydrator, getting ready to call Amanda back out here to finish this thing up. Got that painted and just touched her silver. And like I said, it's been in the dehydrator. She wanted to, as Lucas E. calls it, put some schmutz on this because that fresh leather paint just looks too fresh. And she wanted to weather that up a little bit. So I've broken out the Tamiya Weathering Master. And I'm going to let her pick what colors. I think the soot or I don't know what she's going to do. Maybe one of these rust colors that'll keep some of the color, maybe tone it down a little bit. But give it a weathered kind of look, which I'm actually proud of her for thinking about that. And I thought that was a good idea. And she did a really good job there, too, on those side pieces. We did glue that down so it doesn't fold over like the kit part does, but she also went ahead and got the steering column, steering wheel all put together and ready to go in the car. And there's the heater core. The door panels are in. Hey, she's going to have this wrapped up in a minute. Okay, I'm going to call her in here, let her put the schmutz on this, and we'll be back. Okay, guys, we are going to wrap this thing up. I am very proud of her. This just turned out, ooh, we got stuff all over the weathering stuff all over the desk here too. Going back to review, there's those wheels. I tell you guys, this turned out really, really well. The white with the wash down in there, and then the
red
Sharpie, the red
yeah.
Sharpie, fine point Sharpie to do the Chevrolet letters there. I think that did really well. Good job.
Thank you.
And this interior, guys, you know, she wanted to kind of weather up the seat, tone it down a little bit, and compared to that leather, tell them what you did.
Okay, so we used the Tamiya weathering kit here to do that, and I wanted the edges of the seat to look a little worn, and especially on the driver's side, because most of the time that was just Dad in the truck. So anyway, we used this orange rust to go around the edges and tone down the leather just a little bit.
You'll notice a little light tone. I hope the light shows it, guys. A little lighter tone around the edge, so it does look like it. And she was absolutely right in hindsight. The leather did look too new after being painted, but that orange rust really did a good job on the edges there. And what else did you do?
Okay, and so then I wanted it to look a little dirty, the seat on the driver's side to look a little bit dirty, so I used soot to just get down in there where he
See
would
if I can get
sit.
the light there. Yeah, there you go.
Because he was out working in the dirt a lot.
Did you do it on
too.
the back too? Maybe
Yep,
just a little bit.
just a little bit on the back too. And guess
But
who's
the seat,
been rating my makeup
brushes.
Oh well, that's where they went. But anyway, I think it turned out the way I wanted it to look. So I'm pleased with it.
Okay, guys. Chassis will be coming up next. I've got to have the workbench back to do the final color on my 40 modified, and I'll have something up on that. But I'm proud of you, babe. This looks really, really good.
It's fun.
Well, okay, guys, that is it. We've got as you remember, the engine. Let me grab it real quick. The engine to her truck is totally finished.
Yep.
And I am very pleased with that. You still need to do a wash on the transmission.
Well,
you did a wash on the engine, but not the transmission.
Well, I'll have to do that. And you know what else? I think that these white panels are too white. We might have to put a little dirt in there too.
Oh, you think the white panels need to be?
I think the white panels need to be a little dirty.
Smutted up a little
I do.
bit. Well, all right. You might see that in the next video then, guys.
Didn't realize that till just now, but yeah, that's too clean.
Too white. Huh?
It's too clean.
Okay. All right then. Well, that is it. So like I said, we've got the engine, transmission done, and now the interior, chassis, bed, and then the body, and you'll probably have it. This was, the target date for this was Atlanta of 26, but I think she might have it done. She's doing better than I usually do. Well, okay.
All right, guys. Well, we'll see you again soon.
All right. God bless, guys. We love you. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.
Bye.